Okay, we got a gig of RAM taken out.
Oh, what's that?
Write fault error, writing device PRN. Abort.
Keyboard frozen or something? Yeah.
Yeah, it's trashed. I'm trying to boot from Howard's boot CD, see if we can find what's on the drive. So while we're at it, going to browse the files, might as well check the smart information. HDD scan. Is that the one? Nope. HDD tune. Okay. What's your guess? 8,865. Uh-oh. Reallocated sectors and spin retry count.
Oh, shit.
Old HD. ESPN, Epson, Bible W. 2002 agents. System volume information. 112206. Walgreens, Web Publish, Symantec, Southwest Airlines, Sony Handheld, Spybot, Search and Destroy.
Is that wheel part? Look, wheel.
Syslan, got the
That's
Plus.
Plaxo, NetMeeting.
Firefox, Kyocera, Meta. Who's spitting on the screen, dork?
Kodak.
iOmega, they probably had a zip
Microsoft,
drive.
Logitech.
HP, Google, Broderbund, Music, New Artist 3, New Title 3, RMJ. What kind of files are those? Copy some of this stuff. Scan disk log. 11:47 a.m. on April 26th, 2004.
Wow.
Here we go. What the hell is that? What is it? Wow. Man, look at that. King James Bible, Notepad app, Pro Edge, QuickBooks Pro 05, Palm Desktop for Clee. What is this, Firefox 2? 1.5.0.7. Logitech Image Studio. Donna Mason. Dot 4 HP Z12. Look at all, what the?
Oh.
SAS 900 based PCI fast Ethernet adapter. Logitech USB camera, Sony handheld, Office Jet 4200.
Oh, cool.
SIS 5513. SIS probably came out of a custom build. Office Jet 4200. Bitdefender 8. Short Field Mortgage. No, Diversified Mortgage. You gotta take care of your stuff and wipe your drives. $927.06. November 21st, 2001. Wow. Clearwater what? Ventacom Media. Oh. 2 cows. Master something. USPS. National Do Not Call Registry. Wow. Oh, there's that. Pretty interesting. Yeah, I don't know why he keeps doing this. Whatever.